the start of our waterfall hike near Olympiada. Heading for the waterfalls on our waterfall hike. The path to the Waterfall 1 on our waterfall hike day. The overlook over Waterfall 1 on our waterfall hike day. On the final approach to the overlook for the falls. Well, there is the bottom of the falls. I'll go further and see the top. You can see the gaps in the floorboards. The bottom of Waterfall 1 near Olympiada. Hooray!
Everybody else has taken a turn, and this is my turn. We can stop.
Here are the rapids ho-ho of Waterfall 1, and there's some further down. Big steps down on the way back from Waterfall 1. A rickety bridge taken on the way to Waterfall 1. A shelter at the beginning of the walk to Waterfall 1. I think this is the top of Waterfall 2, but we're not able to see it from the bottom here. So here is the very top of Waterfall 2, just before it runs down. Further along on our way to see Waterfall 2. There goes our back height. Further descent down to the base of Waterfall 2. A little slippery. We cross the stream. Everybody crosses. They're only crossing on rocks in the river. On the way back from the base of, I guess it was Waterfall 2. This is the trail we were on before I stopped to take this picture. You can drop off that pretty easy.
So I stopped it then.
This was the very difficult descent, slippery with gravel.
I've never been skiing, I just know I couldn't go.
There's a beach chair under the tree, but there's no beach. It's just a pile of rocks. There's no water for miles. Derelict buildings in a village that we go through in order to return to Olympiada. Kind of water ford, water over the little road. It's very shallow. Here we are back at Olympiada on our waterfall hike day. A patch of poppies on their way back to Olympiada Beach.